για την αντιμετώπιση της οικονομικής κρίσης στην Ουκρανία, πέραν τις συμφωνίες που θέλουμε να μετέχουν ισότιμα και ενεργά στην πρόβλημα της χώρας αυτής, στο σύνολό της, δηλαδή
I would like to underline that our meeting today was very productive, that would certainly contribute to further expansion of our cooperation in various dimensions. As the Minister has already expressed, we have discussed the progress of the existing bilateral relations between Georgia and the Hellenic Republic, together with important regional issues. We have stressed the importance of exchanging high-level visits between our countries and to expand the economic and trade ties, as there is still a lot of space in this direction. And I invited Mr. Vice Prime Minister to visit Georgia very soon, and I don't remember. You promised me to come, right?
Yes, of course, with great pleasure. Thank you.
Strong historical links between Georgia and Greek people, which we are proud of, give us special impetus to strengthen and promote it in various directions. In this regard, we have also discussed aspects related to bilateral cooperation in the fields of education and culture, as we enjoy favorable relations in this dimension. And I was proud to present my colleague Georgian translation of modern Greek literature. Obviously, I briefed my colleague on Georgia's European and Euro-Atlantic integration processes, as well as on the current situation in Georgia's occupied regions. Hereby, I would like to express gratitude to the Hellenic Republic for supporting Georgia's sovereignty and territorial integrity, as well as European and Euro-Atlantic aspirations. The year 2014 has a special importance for enhancing EU-Georgia cooperation. Thus, we clearly made reference to the upcoming signature of the association agreement between Georgia and the European Union in June 2014. I am pleased to note that this very event will take place during the Hellenic presidency of the Council of the European Union. I am confident that the Greek government will play a crucial role in opening a new chapter of Georgia's way towards Europe. Once again, I would like to cordially thank my colleague Mr. Venizelos for its hospitality and support. Thank you very much.